Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mailchimp for beginners. First, you'll want to create your free Mailchimp account. This initial step is crucial for setting up your email marketing foundation. After signing up, verify your email address and complete the guided setup process. You'll need to provide some basic business details, like your name and address, to ensure your account is fully functional and compliant. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. Once your account is ready, the next step is building your audience. You can easily import existing contacts from a spreadsheet or create a brand new list. Mailchimp allows you to segment your audience into groups, which is fantastic for sending highly targeted messages. For example, you might segment by customer type or engagement level. Don't forget to create engaging sign-up forms to capture new subscribers directly from your website or social media, helping your list grow naturally. Now for the fun part, creating your first email campaign. Mailchimp offers various campaign types, from regular emails to automated sequences. You'll select a template that fits your brand and then customize it with your logo, colors, and images. Focus on crafting compelling content that resonates with your audience. Remember to include clear calls to action, guiding your subscribers on what to do next, whether it's visiting your website or making a purchase. It's all about engagement. Before hitting send, always review your campaign carefully. Check for any typos, broken links, or formatting issues. You can also send a test email to yourself to see how it looks in an inbox. Once you're confident, you can send it immediately or schedule it for a specific time, perhaps when your audience is most active. After sending, dive into Mailchimp's robust analytics to see open rates, click-through rates, and other key metrics to refine future campaigns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.